Hi everybody, this second clip dedicated to preparation for test number 2 for CIS101, and I would like to mention a few things here. We'll start with the first one of my list. It's a font size. Font size you can see here in a home ribbon, the most common ribbon, and then you will see font name and font size. Font name, folks, is a typefaces. When you open it, you'll see different typefaces. Actually, that was default fonts in Microsoft Word, but actually you can buy and install more. Font units. The unit for measurement font is 1 point. Folks, 1 point is equal 1/72nd part of inch. So, in 1 inch, we have 72 points. So if you would like to make a letter A, for example, right here, letter A, with a size 1 inch, you need to highlight it, and then go to font size, and find out 72. So that will be exactly 1 inch, together with all the spaces around. So that is 1 inch. If you want to make 2 inches, then you need to use custom font size. That will be 144. And when you click somewhere else, you will see the bigger letter A, 144 height. So that's about fonts. Next thing, folks, I would like to speak is orientation. Orientation is the form factor of the layout. If you go to page layout, you will see orientation right here. And when you click, you will find out portrait and landscape. Portrait, it's orientation when the width is less than height, and landscape when the width is higher than height. So when you switch from portrait, which is default, to landscape, then you will see that our page will have more than 8-inch width, but height will be smaller. You can see 8.5. To file and go to print preview, let's go for print. Then you will see the form factor of this page. By the way, a print preview is good to use when you would like to see how this page looks in a hard copy. To get back, we need to hit back button, and then we'll see this. I would like to go back to my portrait orientation, and so page will be useful in portrait form. Then, folks, I would like to speak about header and footer. You can see here the margin area. You see this dimmed area of the rulers. This is left margins, right margins, and upper margin. And if we scroll it down, you will see lower margins. So, folks, what we need to do? Sometimes you need to mark up the upper piece of the document with a specific name, like name of the article or name of the chapter. To do this, you need to insert either header or footer. When you go for header, it will be addressed to upper margin, and you can use the header that you would like to. So let's say I would like to insert very primitive, very simple header. But when header is inserted, you will see header active, but the body of the document is dimmed. So let me type any header, the word article 1, article 1, and then I will make it underlined, home ribbon, underline, article 1. Then if I would like to toggle between header and main body of the text, to do this, I just need to double-click the main area. Double-click, then you will see the header is actually dimmed and main document body is good. So let me go for Control V. I prepared the text from Edgar College website, and what I would like to do, I would like to paste it many times. So we will have a certain amount of the text, at least for 2 pages. Folks, let me show you. So this is article 1, first page, and then you see it in a header. Then that will be next header, and in the next page, that will be the same header. Every page supplied with a header. Footers, folks. When I insert footer, I will go for the lower area, but footer, I prefer to use page numbers. So if we go for page numbers, look at this, top of the page, but top of the page already occupied, so bottom of the page, and that will be bottom of the page. I would like to go for center of the bottom of the page, and then I say yes. When I click, you will see my page number right in a footer. So footer and page number. To get the text, you need to go to the text body. But take a look, text is dimmed. So to make it possible for editing, you need to go and double click text body. In this case, text body will be editable, but footer and header will be dimmed and on each page. We'll continue in the next clip.